What's up guys, today I'm going to show you a very simple pumpkin soup and we only need 3 key ingredients and any one of you can just try it. And so let's get started. So over here you look at the board, there's a few basic ingredients and we have the butternut squash over here, it's 1 kg, and as we flip over you can see the very bright orange pigmentation on the butternut. It's very beautiful. And next we're going to have 2 onions that we're going to slice it up, and also we have 3 cloves of garlic. That's enough. And for optional, if you want to add on herbs, over here we have the thyme and we have the bay leaf, and that's optional. If you don't like the herbs, you can just simply leave it out. So let's get started. As you can see on the board, we have the pumpkin and we have a bowl to contain the pumpkin seed. So we just take out the pumpkin seed from the pumpkin cavity, and we just need to rinse it with water. And over here you can see that it's washed already, the seed. So we just dry it out, put it in the oven with some oil and salt, and bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So next, let's cut the pumpkin up, and we need to remove the head and the bottom of the pumpkin, and we're going to cut into half to simply just ease our cutting. So I'm going to remove the skin of the pumpkin, as you can see here, that layer. So it's the very hard part that we wouldn't want to eat. So let's speed it up of this cutting, and we don't want to show you the whole process, it's going to bore you out. So we are cutting the cubes of the pumpkin, so it's going to be cooked faster. So let's pour the rest of the ingredients in the bowl, and we're going to prepare the onion. So over here we have the 2 onions. We're going to cut off the bottom and also the head of the onion. We're going to remove the skin also, and to slice the onion. So here we are slicing the onion. No need to be perfect, just slices of the onions enough. Okay, let's transfer to a bowl after you are done, and prepare the garlic. So here we have our garlic, 3 pieces of garlic, and remove the bottom of the garlic and the skin, and just chop it up. So after chopping, we just transfer to a small bowl and prepare it. That's it. We have 3 ingredients: the pumpkin, the onion and garlic, and the herbs, and let's start cooking. So we prepare the pan on fire, and we have the olive oil. We drizzle the olive oil onto the pan. Okay, not too much, just about 2 tablespoons, and pour in the garlic. I'm going to saute it to fragrant. So it's going to take some time, about maybe 2 to 3 minutes of patience before we put in the onions. So here we have onions. We're going to pour it all in. So we're going to gently cook the onion until it's soft. Let the sweetness of the onion come out. You just need to ensure that the onion is cooked. If not, there will be the raw taste of the onion at the end of the product, which we do not want. So apply a bit of love and patience, and you get a very good pumpkin soup. So now you can see that we have to saute the onion for 5 minutes and kind of turn slightly brown. So the next step is we're going to add in the pumpkin. Okay, so after adding pumpkin, we're just going to saute for about 15 to 20 seconds before we add in the water. So as we pour the water in, it's about 1 liter, but if you want the soup to be thicker, you can pour in lesser. So next we put in the herbs and bring to a boil. So we boil the soup for about 20 minutes before it's soft. Then we send it to blend. Okay, as you can see, the soup is ready, and prepare the blender, and we're going to scoop half of the soup inside the blender to blend it. Okay, I'm going to speed up the process. As you can see that as we blend, we can add in a bit of salt to season, or you can season the soup at the end of the blending. I'm going to pour it into a bowl and prepare to serve. Alright, you can see there is a very beautiful pumpkin soup we just did. Okay, beside pumpkin, we also can do carrot, we can do corn, any root vegetable soup that you want to do. It's very simple. You just have to follow this simple few steps for as you do for the pumpkin soup. Okay, we prepared a pumpkin seed also to garnish the soup, and we also prepare some chive to go along with the soup. Okay, look at that, so beautiful. Now I'm so hungry that I want to drink this soup right away. But I got to show you all the finishing step. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna pour the soup, and that's for me. Okay, so we garnish. We're gonna garnish with the pumpkin seed, and next we're gonna garnish with the chive. Okay, for those of you who like to have a dash of dairy, you can have some dash of cream to make it more creamier, and if not, you can just leave it as it is. It's very nice, very sweet pumpkin soup. There you go. I hope that you all enjoy watching, and do subscribe my channel for more of my cooking recipe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.